So guys, if you missed out on the Dogecoin last year, please do not miss it this year. Okay. Hi crypto enthusiasts, what's going on? Now in this short video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most trending tokens of this time, and you can claim it for free. So for those of you who don't know, Dogecoin was one of the most trending cryptocurrencies or crypto tokens from Telegram last year, and some people could earn just small amount of money just because their Telegram account had not existed for a long time, because actually Dogs was paying with respect to the age of your Telegram account. But recently, these guys came out with a different idea, and all you have to do is just to click on the claim button right here, and you're gonna be able to earn as much as 15,000 to over 20,000 coin in a single click. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this actually works, and I'm going to show you more ways you can earn money from it. Okay, it is very important that you pay attention to this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you different ideas or different ways you can claim more coins here, and then say, hey, why the sun shines. If you have up to 1 million token, believe me, Dog is one of the cryptocurrencies that gave money last year, and this year I think it's going to pay again. Okay, so let me show you how it actually works and how you can get more money.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online. Okay, we share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle. Right, we equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry. Okay, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos. All right, these videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox.
Okay, so at this point of the video, we're gonna look at how you can earn more. Well, you can earn that. You can basically earn from here by clicking on the claim button. Okay, you can click on the claim button and you see how it's been it's been paid to me. And then you can also claim by inviting friends. Okay, so you can go over to where it's written task. Okay, you can go over to where it's written task, and you're gonna see how much token which you can earn from completing some of their tasks, like what, joining their community, inviting friends, inviting 10 friends. You see, these are different coins you can get. And then you can also monitor your friends to see how much you receive from them, how many of them, so you get all this detail on your account, and you get to accumulate this coin. Now after accumulating this much of token, what you can do is you can connect your wallet. Okay, you can connect your wallet by by clicking on the connect wallet right here, and then you're gonna connect your wallet, and then you'll be able to receive the Dogecoin directly in your wallet. Okay, in your Tone wallet. Okay, so the only only coin which this token can be converted to at this time is the Tone. Okay, so you need a Tone wallet. In subsequent videos, I'm going to show you which wallet to choose, and then how you can connect it automatically and get to earn some money. Okay, all right, so that's all for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. As for the link to this bot, I need to know that you can get this link from our Telegram channel only. We will not be able to share it in the description of this video. Okay, so you find our Telegram channel and join. Okay.